So, good morning everyone. Good morning, Ma'am B. We are now here to present to you our portfolio, which is an part of considered for the requirements in the introduction to events management as applied to hospitality. So, we are group 5. So, as we proceed po, ito nga po pala yung company namin, which is yung Quantum Group. So Shane.
Naumpisa po, makikita po dito sa aming logo. Meron po siya magandang design. Kung kumikinang po siya, and syempre may gold, blue, and light violet. And ayun po yung naging pangalan po namin. Ito po yung naging pangalan ng aming company. Sa sumunod naman po, experience na extraordinary. Ang ibig sabihin po ng experience extraordinary is ibig sabihin po yun, nagbibigay ang advantage po sa aming mga company and tumutulong po kami sa kahit na ano pong bagay na i-ask po sa amin ng iba pang namin company.
So for our facility map po of Quantum Group, ayan po yung location po namin. And for our Facebook page, yan po, Quantum Group PH, if you want to visit po. And for our, ayun po, yung pinaka-location po ng company namin. Yung contact number po namin. So if you need anything to us or to concern or magpapag po kayo ng something for events para ma-organize or malapit namin na maayos, just visit our Facebook page for more details. So, next.
Our mission at Quantum Flow is to transform ideas into extraordinary, immersive, and seamlessly executed events. Basically, by blending in our concepts to make your mind aesthetics, creating unique experiences that captivate guests and perfectly reflect our clients' vision. We are dedicated to the inspiration of creativity and delivering unparalleled elegance in everything. Our mission naman po, our mission is to be the foremost innovator in event organization. Setting new benchmarks in design, elegance, and experiential. We aim to consistently move the boundaries of what's possible, becoming the go-to partner for those truly unique and unforgettable gatherings that resonate long after the final home.
So our service offered by Quantum Group, number 1 is bespoke event design and conceptualization. Second is comprehensive event management and logistics. Third, immersive production and technology. Fourth, guest experience and hospitality. And last, post-event analysis. Our management capabilities at Quantum Group, number 1 is strategic vision and concept leadership. Second is meticulous project management. Third, expert vendor and resource management. Fourth, dynamic on-site execution and leadership. And last, innovation and adaptability.
So here's our president. Kami yung event organizer sa likod ng 39 Field Complete Emergency Response Ready Training sa City of Davao. And kami din po yung event organizer ng Grand Beauty Fair 2024 na ginanap sa SMX Mall of Asia, Pasay City. And this is our team and management. Our CEO is si Mr. John Mar Macuile. For Head and Production and Logistics, ako po, si Joanna Manilizo. And for our leader, aesthetic and decor specialist, si Miss Gail Katibay. And sa aming client liaison and project manager is si Miss Shane Juan. And for our culinary and hospitality curator is si Miss Ella. For our marketing and communication strategist is si Mr. King Celis. Is not here. And for our financial and administrative coordinator is si Mr. Terence Tate Sanga. And
for our letter of intent po, so as you can see, ito po yung ano po namin, yung company name, yung company, yung location po, date, yung kain po namin, at saka yung ano po namin, yung event po na gaganapin. At nandito rin po yung proposal na kung ano po yung kinakailangan namin at yung pinapabot namin ano, mensahe or letter po dun sa client namin. So, ayan po, si Mark Gonzalez po yung client po namin. Ayan po. So, sa August 20, 2025 po, yung letter of intent po namin. So, ang client po namin is si Mr. Mark Gonzalez, Chief Executive Officer by Clean Streets Matter, CSM, by Dr. A. Santos Avenue, San Isidro, Parañaque City. So, ayun po yung proposal namin for seamless and successful Clean Street Matter Center. So, ito po yung letter namin. Yan. Ayan po, as you can see po, ma-emphasize nyo namin yung seminar, yung date, at yung company namin dyan with the specific participants na kinakailangan namin for our event. Yan po. Nakikita nyo po dyan na well prepared for a successful Tindahan Live and confident for our expertise in event management with seemingly achievement of impactful event. So for next, ayan po. Ito nga po pala yung proposal title namin yan. As I proceed to explanation po. Ito po yung brief event summary ng description, yung 5 W's po, which is yung WHO po, which is sumunod tayo sa WHO. This proposal is presented by Quantum Group, our company, an innovative event management company to clean up right, to plan, organize the event, for what? And for what po? This event is a seminar titled by Clean Streets Matter. Its purpose is to educate and prepare students and volunteers for subsequent cleanup drive, ensuring a successful and well-organized community effort. For when, ayan po, to be held on December 11, 2025. Where, saan? This proposed venue for this seminar is to select an event placed in BF Homes, Parañaque City. This chosen location is modern facilities, accessible environment, which is ideal for seminars. Ayan po, why? For our why po is, the primary goal of this event po, this seminar is to success and to ensure seamless experience for all participants by providing proper education and organization that empower attendees to make the cleanup drive effective and impactful. For how? This approach will for Quantum Group to ensure the event success by applying our comprehensive management capabilities and leveraging our team's specialized expertise. This approach, the following key strategies and meticulous project management, Ms. Joanna Rizzo, our Head of Production and Logistics, will lead a detailed event planning, including timeline management and vendor coordination. We will also implement stringent quality assurance checks to upload the IS standards for the seminar setup and execution. And for our strategic planning execution, led by me, John Ronaldo, the CEO of our team, that is a strategic event flow that ensures all seminar objectives are met, and we will conduct full risk assessment to proactively identify and mitigate any potential challenges, guaranteeing a smooth and uninterrupted experience. For upcoming next po, our banner po.
Ito po yung banner namin. Banner. Then yung invitation po namin is ito po.
Tayo na lang po ng
Yung flyers. May lang po yun.
point, sir.
Ang floor plan naman po namin is dito po nakalagay is yung entrance. Sa kabila naman po is exit. Then, yung catering service naman po namin is nandito po. Sa kanan po. Then, yung main comfort po, dito din po sa kanan. Then, dito naman po yung nakapesto yung mga yung magsaseminar. Ang type ng classroom po namin is ang style is classroom style.
And for the vicinity map of our place sa Silica Place Events, located siya sa PF Halls, Parañaque. So ito po yung place na gagalapan ng seminar. And for our program, mag-start siya ng 9 a.m. Then registration and networking. Meron din opening remarks and the first speaker. 10:30 is yung panel discussion. By 11:45 a.m. is yung question and answer session. 12:45 is the lunch. And sa meron din workshop 7 a.m. session B, which is yung composting and yung recycling. And 2 p.m. po matatapos ang program with closing remarks.
Sa makikita po ninyo, yung pipiliin po ng aming, yung nakakolot po sa aming company, pipili po sila kung ano po yung gusto nilang option sa ating ilalagay for Silica events, which is classroom type, option A. Yung option B naman po is theater style venue. So next po. So, meron din pong pagpipilian ng aming guest kung ano pong option ang kanilang gusto, which is, yung option A po is package lunch. Sunod naman po is buffet lunch. Next. Sa drinks option din naman po, may pipiliin din po sila, which is dalawa, iced coffee or sweet lemon iced tea.
Next is, sa budget outlay naman po namin is, A&P equipment is 8,000. Sa catering naman po namin is 50 guests, 650 per head, total is 32,000. And sa decoration naman po namin is 5,000 pesos. Sa marketing and materials naman po namin, is nakakulot po doon is banners, and invitation and flyers is 10,000 pesos. Sa miscellaneous naman po namin is 4,475 pesos. Sa venue rental naman po namin is 35,000, total is 94,475 pesos. Then sa service charge naman po namin is 9,447 and 50 centavos. Sa tax naman po namin is 11,337 pesos and contingency fund naman po namin is 18,895 pesos. So ang total po is 134,154 and 50 centavos.
Sa supplier quotations naman po, ang supplier po namin dito is the Silica Event Space. Yung mga supplies po na gagamitin is the AV equipment na may amount na 6,000. Yung catering with 50 guests is 650 per head is 25,000. Decorations is 3,000. Marketing and materials is, nandito po yung mga banners, invitation and flyers is 8,000. Venue rental is 29,000. Total of 71,000. Sa foods and drinks naman po, yung Gordon Food Service yung aming supplier. And ang catering service po is, ang inclusion po niya is pork barbecue, pancit canton, and chop suey. Ang cost niya po 580 and the amount is 29,000. Kaya po 29,000 kasi 580 times 50 per person. Bottomless ice is 60 and the amount is 3,000. Total 32,000. Sa terms and conditions naman po, product and service policies, all supplies and food services are prepared and provided based on the approved quotation. Sa payment policies, a 50% down payment is required upon confirmation of the quotation to secure booking and materials. 3 The cancellation policies. Cancellations made 7 days before the event are eligible for a 50% refund of the down. For liability, the supplier will not be held responsible for delays or damages caused by unforeseen events beyond control. Sa agreement po is dito po papasok yung signing or confirming disputation. The client acknowledges that they have read, understood, and agreed to all the terms and conditions stated above. And dito po pipirma yung client at yung supplier.
And for our Memorandum of Agreement, or short form MOA, ito po yung Quantum of Business Matter. For number 1 po, title of activity, ayan po, Business Matter in that live seminar. For second is parties. This Memorandum of Agreement is made and entered into by and between by Quantum Group, a company engaged in community development and corporate social responsibility with principal office located at Coastal Road, corner Victor Medina Street, San Luis, Parañaque City. And for the po, yung purpose po, ayan po, yung agreement po is to establish cooperation between Quantum Loop and Business Matter in organizing and implementing a cleanup drive seminar entitled. In perform po, ito po responsibilities of the parties ng Quantum Loop and volunteer process and planning, organizing and facilitating the event that provide logistical support such as materials, manpower, and coordination for the cleanup drive activity. Deliver short talks to presentations related to cleanliness, waste segregation, or environmental responsibility that collaborate with Business Matter representatives to ensure the event's smooth and successful implementation. For people, yung second party po is the host that event provide the venue and the necessary facilities for the seminar cleanup drive. Mobilize students, faculty, and staff participants. Coordinate with local government offices for the necessary permits or assistance that acknowledge Quantum Loop's volunteer efforts and partnership with official communications and event materials. Ayan po, this agreement is upon signing both parties and shall remain in force until the successful completion of the activity or until mutually terminated by either party upon written notice. So number 6, effectivity and amendment. This agreement shall be effective immediately upon the signatures of both parties, and amendments or changes shall be made in writing and signed by authorized representatives of both parties. For number 7, separability clause. If any provision of this agreement is not invalid, the remaining provision shall remain in full force and effect. For number 8, the signatures, ayan po, in witness whereof the parties were out to set their hands in 15 days of September 2025. Ayan po yung petsa po, September 2025, by 15 days upon that Parañaque City College for Quantum Loop. Ayan po, yung name ko po, General Maui, that position of CEO, and the signature po, the date in this matter. First part and second part.
For payment terms, total event budget, inclusion of service charge, tax, and contingency funds, 134,154.50 centavos. These payment terms will be structured in 3 installments: a deposit, a mid-event payment, and a final balance. So, sa first payment schedule is payment stage amount to 30% ang initial deposit, which is 40,246.35 centavos, and upon contract signing. So sa mid-event payment is 40%, ang value is 53,661 pesos and 80 centavos. Provisional is 60 days before event date, and for the final balance is 30%, 40,246.35. So ang total po nil is 134,154.50 centavos. General payment conditions, accepted payment methods, payment can be made via bank transfer, credit card, or post-deleted checks. And currency, all payments must be in Philippine pesos. And invoicing, an invoice to be issued at least 7 days before each due date. For late payment policy, payments are considered late if not received by the specified due date. A late fee of 2% per week, a compounded week, will be applied to the overdue installment amount. If a payment is overdue by more than 14 days, the organizer reserves the right to suspend all services until payment is received. And if the final balance is not paid in 14 days before the event, the organizer reserves the right to cancel the event contract.
And for the cancellation and refund policy,
this policy is based on the date of the organizer receives written notice of cancellation. And for contingency and force majeure, contingency fund is 18,895. This fund is managed by the organizer and is for unexpected costs. Yun yung mga extra time, materials, emergency rentals, any absent amount for the contingency fund will be refunded to the clients within 10 business days after the event. And for the force majeure, act of God, which is yung mga lindol, ganun. If event cannot proceed on the scheduled due date of the event beyond the reasonable control of the parties, all payments made will be applied as a credit toward to a postponed date within 1 year of original event date.
so susunod na naman po dito ay sasabihin ko po kung ano yung mga SWOT analysis namin. Siyempre, ang strength, expertise and team, vendor network, project management, innovative design concept. Yung pinakauna po namin ay strength. Pangalawa naman po ay ang aming weaknesses. Ito po ay limited scalability, brand recognition, technology, client concentration. Next po namin ay opportunities. Ang opportunities po namin ay technology and digital events, niche markets, experiential marketing, and global reach. Sa aming pinakalas ay ang trends, economic instability and budgets, intense competition, unforeseen disruptions, and rapid technological change.
And this is our DTI permit. Nakapangalan siya sa aming company, which is yung Quantum Globe. And this is our PIR permit. And our mayor's permit. Paranaque kasi ang aming office is located sa Coastal Road, Paranaque.
So that's all for our presentation.